Hey guys, this bird is dive bombing my friend's dog. It's actually kind of funny. Okay, I'll get kind of close. Oh, it's a mockingbird. See how it just dives bomb her? That is crazy. Whoop. It's kind of funny too. She sits there like nothing's happening. That's funny. And it's been doing this for a long time too.
Where's that?
Where is it?